Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see how to send a message or how to add a post in Telegram with Python code. So we will simply connect Python code with Telegram and we will add post and send a message in Telegram channel. So let's get started. So let's see how to add a news post. So here I am adding news post automatically with Python code. After every 5 seconds, there will be a news post. So this is how newses are adding. So this is the title of the news, description and the image of the news. This is what we are adding. So this is running in the loop, so news will edit. Let's run the code to send a message on Telegram. So this is the code. This is the code. This is the 5 to 10 lines of code, simple 5 to 10 line of code with one library, Telegram. This is the library, Telegram, and this is the ID of Telegram channel. And let's run this code. And this message sent to this channel. This is the message we have sent from a code. And let's add something more in this text. Now again send this, and this is the message. So we can directly send the messages from Google Colab to Telegram. And I have stored the bot token. We need a bot token, secret token. And this is the library, Python Telegram bot to send message. We'll create a new Telegram channel where we send messages. So let's click on that. Let's add a name and description for the channel. Let's click create, and this channel will be public. And let's add the URL link. I think okay, this link is invalid. Let's add something. Okay, let's skip this. And now our new channel is created where we send messages through Python. So this is our channel. So let's understand the process how we will going to send or how we will automate the message sending process through Python. So we will use BotFather. BotFather is a channel in Telegram that provides API key token or bot token, which we will use to send messages. So we will automate the process with BotFather. So now let's search for BotFather. This is the channel. Here are simple steps we need to do to get the API token. Let's add a start. So this is the messages will appear, and let's add a new bot, and this message will appear after adding new bot. And now we need to add we need to choose the name, and the name must contain bot in the last. And let's check this name. I think this is invalid. It must end with bot. The letter must end with bot. So let's add a new name here. Okay, it's already taken. So we need to try that. We need to try multiple times because In one trial we cannot get the okay, so we get the API token and we have done the process. Now we just need to use this. Add one more thing here, we need to connect our channel which we have created with BotFather channel, BotFather bot. So this is our channel, and let's go to this manage channel, add us, click on subscribers, and here I have added this channel. So we just need to add users and add the channel, add the bot that is created by BotFather. This is the let's add chat ID and bot token in the code. So go to manage, view channel info, and copy this link. This is our chat ID, and the token is available here. Time for testing. Now let's run this, and our code is working. The messages are sending now. This is completely working fine. We have automated the we have connected with this Python code. So now we will understand the code. So installation, in the installation we need Python Telegram bot library. With this help of capture, let's understand about capture also. Like if we are installing this, so these requirements or these messages, if you don't want to see these messages, so we can use capture. With the help of capture, we will not see any installation update messages. So this is very helpful. This help us to read it, to helpful in readability, and it will not make code meshy. So here is the secret token. I have stored a secret token here, the bot token. So here is the secrets where we can store our token. I have stored our bot token here. In the name is bot token. Like we need to call here from bot token. This is the name, and in the value I have stored the key. With the help of this code, we can get the value. And here is the code. Like I have stored the bot token in this variable, and I have call here, and then chat ID, then token, then we need to give the chat ID and the text message which we are sending. So this is the simple code. And if you want to automate, or if you want to connect, if you want to do automation, then we can use while loop to automate the process. We can use time to manage to send the messages according to the time. So this what we can do, and we can use external links also. We can connect this with external links, so the messages will be sent through that websites or links. So this what we can do. Connect the news API with this Telegram. So this is the code, and this is the API, and I have get the API from here, news API. So we can post the news directly in the Telegram. We can add. So this is the code, and we have 242 articles in this news. So I have stored in this variable result. So this is how news articles looks like. like source, title, description, and the image of the news related to the news. So this many articles we will post in Telegram. So we will automate the code through while loop. So first let's run the token, and now let's run this code. So this code will automatically add post after 5 seconds. So this post is adding automatically in this channel. So this is how our posting is automated by the code. I have used while loop, and after 5 seconds the post will add, and this is the structure like news and the title and description. This simply you can add this code and automate the process of manual adding post. This is the image URL coming. That's it from this video, guys. If you learned something new from this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.